Hi, my name is Pat Autry, and I am the owner and producer of Digital Dynamics Recording Studio. I'd like to discuss what a typical recording session is like and hopefully answer most of the questions that you may have about this creative process and to help you to better be prepared for the recording session. This tutorial is part one of a 5-part series in which we will be discussing the steps involved in recording your lead vocal track. Now, it's understood that you already have a pre-recorded backing track available to you with the music on it. This is also known as a karaoke track. It helps things to move fairly quickly because this time will be spent only on recording a great vocal instead of having to concern ourselves with all the other instruments. After we've come up with a session time that's convenient for you and you have chosen the songs that you would like to record, we'll need you to email versions of these songs to us so that we can load them into the recording software and be prepared for your session in advance. This will help to maximize your recording budget while you are here. We do not charge extra for this advanced preparation, and this will again allow us to be completely ready for you when you arrive. The songs can be emailed to us in any audio format that you prefer. MP3 and WMAs are the most common. Once we receive your tracks, the project will then be loaded into the DAW, which is the Digital Audio Workstation software. The tempo of the song will then be determined in advance to plan for proper vocal delay calculations. Tempo matching is a crucial part of the process in order to get a professional sound when using any type of delay or echo effect on the vocal track. Again, this will all be done before you arrive. It's a good idea to bring the CD of the backing tracks with you as a safety measure. Next, we will check the microphone levels before we begin the recording. We use large diaphragm condenser vocal microphones here at Digital Dynamics to ensure that every nuance of your vocal characteristic will be picked up and captured in its finest detail. So when you're recording, it will be necessary to wear headphones. As you're singing, you'll hear the music come through the headphones at the same time that you'll hear your singing voice. This mix or this balance can be adjusted to taste to ensure that you hear yourself properly and the voice is over or louder than the music. After a little warm-up and you're comfortable with the studio environment, we will then record your first vocal take. It's not unusual to get a strong recording on the first pass. However, you may wish to re-sing a line or two, and that's real easy. These overdubs are punched in to replace sections of the song that you want to replace and get it exactly as you want. This process will allow us to compile a perfect vocal track for you and ensure the best possible vocal product. Now, after this vocal is completed and the punch-ins have been made, we will then mix and master the song and burn it to CD. Vocals are the most important part of the song and deserve the greatest care. The signal path to achieve professional results include again a large diaphragm condenser microphone. We then go into our Avalon mic preamp, which also has a built-in compressor, through our Mackie analog mixing board. Next we'll have a de-esser, parametric equalizer, harmonic exciter, plate reverb, studio delay, multi-band compressor, and then finally the brick wall limiter. The master track will then be burned to CD. As you wait, and MP3s of each song will be emailed to you.